Hello and welcome everyone to the SwiftSync demo. We are going to showcase an integration between JIRA issues and Swift Kanban card. Following screen displays 4 levels of hierarchy in JIRA, where epics are at the top, followed by features, user stories, and subtasks at the lowest level. A similar hierarchy is exhibited between cards on a Swift Kanban board. The initial idea is to create all the issues in JIRA and work on the task at the lower level on Swift Kanban board. On changing the queues of task in SK, the user story, feature, and epic will automatically change their queues as all of them will be created on a hierarchy portfolio lanes. Addition to that, we are also going to show 2 different types of portfolio lanes we can create on Swift Kanban board, which are manual portfolio lane and to-do portfolio lanes. We will explain their working during the live sync. Let's start with the actual demo. We will start with creating an epic in JIRA at the topmost level with some basic system fields for the demo purpose. Next, we will create 3 features, each with different priority for them to go on different lanes in Swift Kanban board. We will create one feature with major, one with minor, and another one with trivial priority. Major priority is mapped to hierarchy portfolio lane, and hence we will further create user stories as a child to the major feature. To that user story, we will create multiple subtasks in JIRA. For all the issues in JIRA, we have selected some basic system fields, but rest assured we can actually sync all the system as well as custom fields from JIRA to Swift Kanban cards. We also support the sync of work log, its fields, and 2 different types of plugins in JIRA called Agile and Zephyr. Once we start moving the task in different lanes, we will see the movement on user story, the hierarchy feature, and epics lane. Let's close one task from Swift Kanban board and another one from JIRA. Once the bidirectional sync happens in both the systems, we can see that user story and hierarchy feature moved to close lane. These statuses will also reflect in JIRA. As for epic, it is still in progress lane as its 2 child features are still in ready lane. Coming to manual feature, we can see a field called progress in the card which decides the movement of the card on the board. Let's fill 50% to move the card into in progress lane. So we can see here that as we change the value in progress field, the position of the card is being changed. Now let's go back and fill in the 100% to move that card to close lane. This is the kind of portfolio lane on which the cards are controlled manually by user depending upon what kind of value they provide in progress field. Another flavor is to-do feature. This feature is being synced from JIRA, and as it reaches Swift Kanban board, multiple template to-dos are created automatically within a card. This setting is customizable. We can have none, one, or many to-dos inside a card template depending upon the requirement. We will complete 4 to-dos out of 7 to see where the card lands on in progress queue on a portfolio lane. So we can see the feature a little towards right from the middle. Similarly, let me complete all the to-dos of the feature to move the feature to close queue. This kind of cards on a to-do portfolio lane are controlled by completion of the to-dos inside a card. Once all the to-dos are completed, we will see that the to-do is finally landed into close lane. This displays the full potential of portfolio lane sync available via SwiftSync. Please write to us in case of any queries or if you have any other use case in mind which you would like us to display integration for.